Are you overwhelmed by video editing? And do you feel like creating content is just too techy? Well, let me show you the easiest way to record and edit videos. No fancy software, no headaches, talking about Tella. And I'm going to walk you through step by step how I use Tella to record these videos for YouTube. So what is Tella? Tella is a browser-based tool that lets you record and edit videos in one place. No downloads, no complex timelines. It's perfect if you're just starting. It's perfect if you're just getting started with YouTube, recording digital product tutorials, or even creating mini lessons for your audience. Now, when you first sign up to Tella, you'll land on your workspace, and this workspace is where you can record, you can upload, you can view all your videos, and you can create playlists for your videos. And when you get started, you do have a 4 steps get started tutorials, and it will just walk you through how to do everything from creating your account, recording your first video, customizing your video, and sharing your video. So let's go into recording your video. All you have to do is hit record and this new screen will pop up. Now, at the moment, I have the notes section showing, and I can hide the speaker notes for now. So with Tella, you can record screen only. You can also record camera only. So right now my camera is off. So this, if my camera was on, you'd be able to see an image of me here. You can choose which camera you've got on. You can also choose what tabs you want to record. If you choose to keep your camera on, you'll have your camera will be on the side, and you'll be able to later change the layout of how this looks in terms of where your face is shown on the screen. You can choose not to have the screen on, and you can also choose which mic that you're going to be using. You can also, as you saw earlier, you can add speaker notes to the top or turn them off. You can start recording. Like, that is like the simplest thing you can do with Tella. So once you've recorded, and say we have decided, let's say at some points we're recording our face, and then at other points we are just doing the screen recording. So once you have finished recording, all you have to do is hit done, and each clip will be shown at the bottom here. And then what you have to do is, once you're done recording, so every time you do a recording, another clip gets added. Once you're finished with your complete video, you can go into preview, and that takes you to your editing dashboard. And with your editing dashboard, you get to choose where your camera is going to show. So where on screen your video is going to be, the video of your face is going to be shown. You get to change the background color of the display and the edges. And what I really love about Tella is the fact that it is really easy to edit. It just makes the editing process so much simpler and quicker, because you can immediately remove buffers. You can remove all the ums and ahs. If you've got all the filler words, again, you can remove those. Most importantly, you can edit with a transcript. So you can literally just edit the words in the video. Once you have edited in terms of removing the silences and making sure that everything is put together correctly, and you only have the video you want to see, you can then add zooms into your video as well to give it that dynamic feel. You can choose the types of layouts you have. So you could choose how the part of the video that's on screen and your face is shown. They have a lot of presets that you can choose from, and you get to select the color of your background. So I can change it to that color, or back to the color that I had. You can change the border, the shape of the actual screen. You can edit your subtitles, so you can show how you want your subtitles to look and edit the actual words in your subtitles, and you can choose to whether you want to have your subtitles or not. The other thing you can do is you can crop, so you can easily crop. So sometimes you might have a bit of the video that you don't want to be shown on screen, so you can easily just crop it and pull it back. And those are the bits that I really use in Tella. It makes it so easy and simple that I can literally just edit within my videos within 30 minutes. So as you can see, Tella makes editing super intuitive. You can trim clips, cut out mistakes, rearrange scenes, or by dragging and dropping things around, and it's all built in and easy to use. No fancy editing skills required, and if you can drag and drop, you can edit in Tella. Tella automatically names your video based on what it detected you say in the video. So you can rename your video here. And once you're done with editing, you just click download, and you can download the entire video, or you can download separate clips if you wish. You can also just download the subtitles in two formats it gives you, and you can decide whether you want your subtitles burnt in, or if you want to just download a file, or if you don't want your subtitles to show at all at this stage as well. You can choose between the size, so HD or 4K, and you can also choose between the FPS, and then you start downloading. And once you download, it downloads straight to your computer, so you can download it to whatever file you want to save it to. If it's not something you want to download, you can also just share it, and you get a link here, and you can share it just like you would share a Loom video as well. So you can just do quick tutorials on here and share this to your email list or to a customer. You can change the access levels, change the viewing preferences, and you can choose whether you want to email, create a gift, or if you're creating a video for a course and you have a course platform, you can also embed that into your course platform or even onto your blog. And when you're done, you can just go back to my videos, and this is where all your videos are kept as a library, and you can go in and edit them anytime, or download them again, or reuse them for a different project at any point. Here's what I love using Tella. It's fast, it's beginner friendly, and it's made for people like us who don't want to mess around with editing software for hours and hours. And if you're juggling a business, your content, and maybe even a 9 to 5, tools like this are a lifesaver. And I know it's been a lifesaver for me in terms of relaunching my YouTube channel and actually creating content, because it's made it really easy that I could sit down in my lunch hour and record a video, and then after work spend 30 minutes just editing really quickly. So if you're ready to try Tella for your next video, drop the link below so you can test it out for yourself. You do get a free trial. And if you want more content like this, simple, actionable, and beginner friendly tips and tutorials, hit the subscribe button below.